In this video, I'll be showing you how to use your Nintendo Switch 2. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few very easy things to go ahead and use this, and the reason I'm just not recording the screen itself is because I'm going to go through the physical buttons as well. But let's say you're loaded up, you have your profile set up and everything. There's a few different things we're going to go through. The first one is the top button. So this is your power button, so you hold this down to turn it on and off. But you should only hold it down to turn it on. You should turn it off through the system settings. I'll show you how. And then these are the two volume buttons, volume down, volume up. Then you're going to see like just the speakers and stuff like that. Now over here is where you're going to go ahead and put in any games. I already have Pokemon in here right now. So you just lift this latch up and then you just put any games that you want inside of there. Obviously you have your usual buttons. And then this button right here is basically going to be your capture button. So if you hold it down, it's going to capture a video. And then obviously if you just press it, it's just going to take a screenshot. Now this button here is going to just be your home. So if I go ahead and press this one's game chat. This one's home right here. So if you want to use game chat and talk to friends, you just press this bottom one. That's going to open this. And if you have friends on Nintendo Switch, you could go ahead and use that. Now, if you press your minus button, sometimes it has functions in game, sometimes it doesn't. And the plus button is usually like the pause, whenever you're on a game and you want to usually go into a pause menu, it's going to be that. On Pokemon, it's a bit different though. But yeah, and then obviously the great thing is on both top and bottom, there are USB-C ports. So let's say if you're docked or something like that, you could use the top port to go ahead and charge your Switch 2. Also, the great thing about the Switch 2 is one of the things it has this little thing right here. So if I go ahead and adjust this, I could basically just have my Switch 2 like this. I'm not holding it or anything, and it's basically just a stand, so I could go ahead and play on it whenever I want like this. Now, all you got to do is whenever you want to go ahead and play a game, just press A on whichever game you want, and then you'll be good to go. But I definitely recommend going through all the system settings before you play anything, and just changing things like how sleep mode functions, because that's definitely something to change. And then how your display functions as well, like whether you want RGB on or off, whether you want 120 hertz or anything like that, you can change that over here as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out our other Switch 2 videos on the channel as well.